With AddEvent's automated emails for RSVP events, you can send confirmation, reminder, and follow-up messages automatically when someone registers for your event. I'm going to walk you through all things automated RSVP emails. First, we have to navigate there. So I'm in the dashboard, and to get to the RSVP forms where automated RSVP emails live, we'll just click RSVP forms in the left nav bar. All of the RSVP forms that you create will live here, but let's create a new RSVP form. By default, your RSVP events will use our standard RSVP form, but that is read-only and you can't make any changes to it. So I'll start off by letting you know what's included in that standard form. These are the questions. We collect name and email, but we're just going to mainly focus on the email notifications. By default, we have the confirmation email enabled, and that is sent right when someone registers for your event. We have 2 reminder emails enabled. One is sent 1 day before the event takes place, and the second is sent 2 hours before the event takes place. And then our follow-up email is disabled by default, but you can always enable that. Then we have manual notifications. These can be sent when you need to send an update for your event. Let's say the location changed, or you just have some additional details that you want to share in preparation of your event. You can customize the content of this base email and then send that out from the event details and RSVP page. So let's look at what you can customize. Confirmation email, for example. You can customize the email subject that is sent to your attendees when they register for your event. A confirmation email is going to be sent to your going and interested responses. The visual editor allows you to edit all of the copy within this email. If you prefer editing in code, then you have that option as well. But our lovely visual editor makes it super easy to customize the content of this email. You can use the data tags that we have in AddEvent, and then you can also use these data tags based on the information that you collect from your audience. So you'll notice here that I'm going to just quickly create a custom question, and then we've got this slug that you can use in your emails as well. So that is the confirmation email. It's very similar for the reminder and follow-up email as well, the way that you can edit it, just the content is a little bit different. So be sure to check out the differences of all of the emails. Specifically for the follow-up email, we have a call to action for a survey. However, you can customize this to be a call to action for whatever you want your attendees to do post-event. Because this is not linking to an actual survey, if you did want to collect a survey or send a survey to collect responses, then you would need to link a survey here anyway. So you can make this call to action whatever you would like it to be. And then you would just need to enable the email, and then you can select the cadence of which that's sent. It goes from anywhere from 1 hour to 3 days. And then again, the update email, this content can be updated as well, and I'll show you where you can send that. Once you make all of the changes that you want to the emails in your custom form, you're going to create this form. So let's do September events, create form. So my form is created. Now I'm going to go back to my dashboard and then to the RSVP event that I want to assign this form to. So I'm going to click into either the event details page to then edit the event, or I can go straight into the edit page by clicking the 3 dots and edit, and then the RSVP settings tab. So from here, you can assign an RSVP form. So I'm going to assign the one we just created and then save my event. So now when anyone goes to register for my event, the additional custom question that I included will be there. And then any of the changes that I made to the emails will come into play when I receive those emails. Last thing I want to touch on is the update email. So you can send the update email from the RSVP attendee section. So I'm on the event details page, and then I'll click see all RSVPs, or just clicking into the RSVP attendee section, and then email attendees. This is the manual email that you send if you need to provide additional information to your attendees. This content block is blank, but remember the format that is applied via the custom RSVP form will come into play here. So this will be the body of your email, and then all of the other formatting and details will be included as well. So that is the manual update email that you can send to your RSVP attendees. That about sums up the RSVP automated emails. If you have any questions, let us know. And you can also check out the help doc for more details on customizing this, as well as the examples for what these emails look like. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions. We're more than happy to help. And subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos and helpful content. Thanks.